27 March 2020, and today the number of COVID-19 cases in Mauritius is 81, inclusive of 2 deaths. The number has risen by a lot in the past 2 days and it's alarming. There's a lot of reason to panic and find different faults or different things that could have been done differently, but it's important also to realize that despite this chaos, there are still things that we can be grateful for, things that we can be thankful for. And this video is going to be more on a lighter, positive note. In fact, during this lockdown period, I've learned a lot about things that I need to be grateful for each and every day. The things that I have right now, these are the things I can be thankful for. And most times it's when we lose these things that we realize the importance and the value of these things. So I would encourage you that in this time of chaos and in this time of uncertainties, try to think about things that you are grateful for. And for me personally, there are 5 things that I am grateful for. Probably it's the same for you too. Number 1 is the gift of time. Very often we complain that we don't have enough time for different things, different activities, but now we have so much time, especially for those who are in a lockdown. For those who are working in this time of lockdown, be it healthcare professionals or government officials, the same time is different for them. It's a race against the clock for them because each day they have to come up with different things, they have to think about different strategies, different things to cater for the people. But if you're at home, make good and meaningful use of your time, because these are moments that probably you might not be having in the near future. I can't think of any other time that you are forced to stay at home for such a long period of time. And this lockdown period has also brought into perspective the real basic needs of human. And these are having shelter, food and clothing. So if you have these 3 main things, then you're in a good place, and be thankful for that, because there are people out there who don't even have all these 3 and it's very challenging for them. I'm sure that you are benefiting from much more than that. There are telephone companies which are offering more internet quota or more internet data plans for the same price that you pay, and they are giving their best for you to use. And we appreciate these things that the companies are doing for us, giving us more flexibility and more possibilities on how we can use our time. Also, during this time of lockdown, this is the opportunity, the moment that you can use to spend with your loved ones at home, with your parents, with your children, to bond together and spend time, tell stories. I'm sure that this lockdown stories will be one of the stories you'll be able to tell in the future. But I do understand that some people might not have their family members around. You might not have your mom and dad together with you or your children next to you, but there's another thing that we need to be thankful for, and this is technology. Technology has evolved so much that you're just a click away from them through a Skype call, a Zoom call, or WhatsApp call, or whatever it is. There are so many avenues that you can contact people nowadays, and it's sometimes overwhelming. You don't know through which channel you want to contact them and communicate with them. These are tools that we can make use of right now, and I've been very happy to see elderly people who are not used to technology trying their hands at technology and getting used to this new world. And this brings the world together. Despite being far away in terms of distance, you are just next to each other on the screen. And you have also Netflix and other services where you can stream videos and movies online. And through technology as well, we are seeing a boom in e-commerce, whereby there are online supermarkets where you can place your orders and they'll be delivering your food at your doorstep. And you can't complain about that. And that's what's beautiful about technology. Last but not the least, we want to be grateful for frontline workers, for government officials and all other people who are working in the essential sectors, who are selflessly and tirelessly working every day to bring us services that are essential in our everyday lives. Whether it is banking or healthcare, supermarkets, without these people, we wouldn't be able to live comfortably in our house. So we are really, really grateful for them, not only because of that, but they are courageously putting their life at risk because they are exposed to the virus everywhere they go. But they chose to do what's needed for the population to benefit from it. Words can't be enough to express how thankful we should be. Just a massive thank you for all that you do. I would want you to also comment down below, what are the things that you are thankful for? What are the things that you've been doing during this lockdown period? That's all for today's video, and yeah, just make the most out of every situation. Take care and goodbye.